Hey, what is up again everyone, this is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock and Ron. So for today, we are going to assemble the Tertium Arms support weapon. Alright, and the thing is I don't have the Tertium Gundam but I do have the GP02A Gundam. Alright, and we're going to install this on the GP02A. Alright, awesome, so without further ado, let's go ahead and play the video, let's get it on and rock on. Alright, so now we're going to assemble this high-grade build Diversar Tertium Arms support weapon. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a quick look on the box right here. So this is the box art, it looks awesome. So yes, now the thing is this kit is originally made for the Tertium Gundam, as shown on the front of the box right here. So this is the Tertium Gundam with a support weapon equipped, it looks awesome. So on the background it shows the high-grade Mach 2 Gundam. And the thing is, once you install this kit on the Mach 2 Gundam, it will resemble the Super Gundam. Alright, awesome. So on the side of the box, it shows more picture of this kit. So once again, this is the Tertium Gundam. And also, this kit is compatible with the high-grade 4 Simples Gundam. So this is the back view of that Gundam. And once again, this is the Mach 2 Gundam. Alright, awesome. And based on the reviews that I've watched online for this kit, this is also compatible with the high-grade Wing Zero Gundam and the high-grade RX-78 Gundam. Alright, awesome. And the thing is, I don't have those Gundams, but I do have the GP02A and the RG Mach 2 Gundam. And I know this kit will not fit, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize these Gundams to make this kit fit. So it's all a matter of drilling holes on the backpack to make the connector fit. Alright, that will be awesome. So yes, on the other side of the box, it shows the model number of this kit, model number 036. And once again, this is from the Build Divers Re-Rise. Alright, awesome. And on the other side of the box, it shows the contents of this kit. So what you will get is 2 pieces of boosters, 2 pieces of shields which can be combined into one, and also this is the long range beam rifle, and also you will get 1 piece of backpack connector for the boosters. Alright, so that's about it. So now let's go ahead and open this kit and we're going to assemble this. Alright, awesome. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open the box right now and see the contents inside for this kit. Alright, awesome. So right away, this is the manual for the kit. Alright, so it's in detail, it's in color, it looks awesome. Alright, so for this kit, you will only get 2 pieces of runners, 1 for the blue parts and 1 for the grays. And that's about it. And I like the gray parts for this piece right here, so it has a semi-matte finish to it. It looks awesome. So yes, that's about it. So for the stickers, you will only get white pieces for the stickers for the shield. And that's about it. Alright, awesome. So now let's go ahead and assemble this kit and see how this looks like installed on the GP02A. Alright, awesome. Alright, so now I got both of the runners on the table and I'm going to cut the parts out to assemble this kit. Alright, awesome. So let's go ahead and cut the parts out. Just 1 second. Alright, so now I got my parts cut out from the runners and now I'm going to assemble these boosters. Alright, awesome.
Reinforcements have arrived. Construction complete.
New technology acquired.
My truck is loaded. Let's make a delivery.
Vehicle ready. On our way, sir. Ready to roll. Destination, Commander?
Alright, so now the Tertium Arms support weapon is fully assembled, so let's go ahead and take a closer look on this kit right here. Alright, so let's take one booster. So this is how it looks like, fully assembled. It looks awesome. So the thing is, I like the blues and the grays of this kit right here. It has a matte finish to it, and the blues matches the color of the GP02A. Alright, awesome. And also this boosters reminds me of Robotech or Macross. You know, the boosters that you see on the back of the fighter jets and the Batroids. They look pretty much similar. Alright, awesome. So let's take both of the boosters, and this is how it looks like side by side. Alright, it looks awesome. Alright, so let's put this aside, and now let's go ahead and take a quick look on this backpack connector. Alright, so as you can see, this piece is a little small, and on the back of this piece you will see two little pegs that you must connect on the back of the Gundam to install the boosters. Alright, so the thing is, only certain high-grade kits is compatible with this backpack connector, which is namely the Tertium Gundam, the high-grade RX-78, the high-grade Force Impulse Gundam, and the Wing Zero Gundam, as far as I know. Alright, and on the side of this piece you will see two little holes that you must insert the booster into to install them. So let's take one booster and insert it on the backpack. Alright, just like that. So you must insert it all the way in so that it will be more secured. Alright, so the other booster, just like that. And yes, this is how it looks like installed on the backpack connector. It looks awesome. Alright, so let's put it aside, and now let's go ahead and take a quick look on this long range beam rifle. Alright, so yes, it looks awesome. So once again, the grays on this kit has a matte finish. I like the grays on this kit. And yes, and the white piece of this on this dome right here is just a sticker, and the three little gems came from my sticker set, so it does not include in the kit. Alright, and also this beam rifle is a gimmick. Alright, so you can fold this beam rifle like this. Alright, you can fold it, and also this handle can swivel inside and out, just like that. Alright, awesome. So that's about it for the beam rifle. So now for the articulations of the boosters. So let's go back to the booster here. So this boosters, you can angle these boosters just like this. Both of them can move, and you can angle these boosters according to your preference, just like that. Alright, awesome. But the thing is, once you install these boosters on the back of the Gundam, the articulation may be limited. Alright, and also this could be back heavy. But the thing is, I'm going to install this on the GP02A, so I might not have any problems, because the GP02A is pretty secured, and it has a huge feet. Alright, awesome. Also, this two little piece on the side of the boosters is a shield. Alright, so let's take both of the shields right here. So this little piece of shields, you can combine this into one. Alright, so let's go ahead and take both of the shields right here. Alright, so all you gotta do to combine the shields is you must take the handle on the other shields. Alright, so underneath the shield you will see this little peg. Alright, and on the other shield you will see a little hole on the top of the shield, and all you gotta do is insert the peg in the hole to combine the shields. And there you go. So there you have the shield. So the thing is, the shield reminds me of the shield of the Mach 2 Gundam. Alright, so it looks pretty much similar. So yes, that's about it for the kit. So now we're going to install this on the GP02A. Alright, awesome. Alright, so now we're going to install the Tertium Arms support weapon on the GP02A. Alright, so let's take a closer look on this Gundam right here. So as you can see on the back of this Gundam, the two little holes is too far apart and they're too big, compared to the backpack connector of the Tertium Arms, which has two little pegs which are closer together. So to simply put it, it's not compatible with the GP02A. But not to worry, because what I did was I took the backpack of the GP02A and I drilled two little holes in the backpack. So as you can see right there, I drilled two little holes so that I can insert the backpack connector of the Tertium Arms. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this back on the GP02A. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in reverse or upside down on the GP02A. Alright, so just like that. And now we're going to insert this Tertium Arms support weapon. Oh, and also these two little extra boosters on the side boosters of the GP02A is getting on the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these extra boosters so that I can install the Tertium Arms. Alright, so just like that. And now I'm going to install this on the backpack. Alright, just 1 second. So the thing is, I did a really good job on drilling two little holes which are pretty secured, and it is a perfect fit for the GP02A. Alright, so just like that. and it looks awesome. So yes, that's about it. And also, what I'm going to do with this extra little boosters from the GP02A is I'm going to insert this on the side of the Tertium Arms booster, just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the shields. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove this once again. And I'm going to insert this on the sides of the Tertium Arms. And also, as you can see, the hole on this extra boosters from the GP02A is too big, and the little pegs for the shields is too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this little piece of rubber tubes that I cut to increase the diameter of this peg right here, so that it can fit the extra boosters of the GP02A. Alright, so now I was able to install the little piece of rubber tubes that I cut to increase the diameter of the specs right here, so that I can install the extra boosters from the GP02A. Alright, so I'm going to insert this booster right now here on the side of the Tertium Arms. Alright, so just like that, it's pretty secured, it looks awesome. So now the other booster. Alright. And there we go, so now it looks more awesome with the extra boosters from the GP02A. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this on the back of the Gundam now. Alright, just one second. Alright, so I'm going to install this on the backpack of this GP02A. Alright, so it's pretty secured, and I did a good job on drilling the holes of on the backpack of the GP02A. It's pretty secured. Alright, so there you go, so now it looks more awesome. So now it has a total of 12 boosters now, including the boosters underneath the feet. Alright. Looks really awesome. So now let's go ahead and install the long-range beam rifle on this Gundam. Alright, so as you can see on this long-range beam rifle, the handle is too small for the hands of the GP02A. Alright, so as you can see right here, so it's pretty loose. Alright, so not to worry, because there's a technique for you to be able to install this beam rifle securely on the GP02A. So what you need to do is you need to insert the handle underneath the hands of the GP02A. That way it will be more secured. Alright, so just like that. And this little blue piece on the rifle, you can use this as a lock. Alright, so all you gotta do is fold this just like that, and now it's more secured. Alright, so even if I shake this, the rifle will stay into place. Alright, awesome. So now for the shields. So what I did on the shields was I'm going to use the original handle for the shields of the GP02A to fit the little holes on the shields right here. Alright, so what I did was I took the original handle from the shields of the GP02A and I put a little drop of CA glue to increase the diameter of this handle on the pegs. And also what I did on the shields of the Tertium Arms was I cut a little piece of groove right here to fit the handle of the GP02A shield. Alright, so now all I gotta do is insert this on the peg and you're good to go. Alright, so just like that, and it's pretty secured. Alright, so now there we go. So now there's the complete Tertium Arms installed on the GP02A. Now it looks more awesome.
Unit ready.
Unit firepower upgraded.
Unit armor upgraded.
Unit speed upgraded.
My truck is loaded. Let's make a delivery.
Vehicle ready. On our way, sir. Ready to roll. Destination, Commander?
Alright, so that wraps up my video for today for this Tertium Arms support weapon. So all I can say was that this kit is all good, the build quality is good, the plastic quality is good. So if I'm going to rate this kit, I'm going to rate this 9 out of 10. And that's because the only issue that I have with this kit is the compatibility. So I wish Bandai could have done something to make this kit more compatible with other high-grade kits, like this GP02A right here. But besides that, it's all good. So yes, you don't have to buy this kit just because of the Tertium Gundam. You can install this kit on whichever mobile suit that you like that you will see this fit. And just in case if this kit doesn't fit, all you gotta do is customize, just like what I did on the GP02A, and you're good to go. Alright, so that's about it. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see and if you find this video helpful, then hit the subscribe and the like button. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. So once again, this is Ron. Rock on, stay awesome, and have a good one.